Guys, Riddler's had a massive hit. Never seen lightning hit. It was so bright, it made everything like shake. And there we go. Again. Where's the lightning though? You will hear the thunder, listen. Where's the lightning though? Like, it made that go on. Like, you won't believe how happy we are to have this thunderstorm. Well, not happy when it's so close to us, but very, very happy it's raining because there's been a lot of fires. And we've been needing donations and help. Don't worry, that's not a blackout. And I caught that. If it was a blackout, that's my power there. It wouldn't be working. Oh, I better go. See you guys.